Hello, hello, hello. Another click, another lesson to learn. Ayan, so ngayon ay aralin natin ang tunog ng letter B. Ang sound ng letter B. At ang letter B. Chassis letter B. Ball reads B, B, B. B reads B, B, B. Okay, so ito ang itsura ni letter B. The big letter B and the small letter B. O kaya yung at paano naman sabihin ang tunog ng letter B? Buh, buh, buh. Ganyan ang bibig. Okay, so let's read. Bed reads buh, buh, buh. B reads buh, buh, buh. Next, ang sunod ay button. Button reads buh, buh, buh. B reads buh, buh, buh. Next, bell. Bell reads buh, buh, buh. B reads buh, buh, buh. Ang sunod ay bus. Bus reads buh, buh, buh. B reads buh, buh, buh. Ulit, anong letter ito? This is letter B. Sound is buh, buh, buh. Okay, so how do we write letter B? Paano natin isulat ang letter B? Start by drawing a straight line down, then draw two curves, one from the top and one from the middle, both curving to the right. Ayan, so ganyan isulat si letter B, yung malaking letter B. Ganyan ang itsura niya sa papel. At paano naman isulat ang maliit na letter B? Start by drawing a straight line down, then draw a small circle starting from the middle of the line, curving around to the right, and then that's how you write the lowercase letter B or yung maliit na letter B, at ito naman ang itsura niya sa papel. Okay?